This is my learning activity 9, and I will be doing a verbal presentation over what I learned this chapter. The main function of the urinary system is to filter and remove waste products from the blood. These waste materials result in the production and excretion of urine from the body. It is very important that the body removes waste because it can become very toxic. When waste builds up in one's blood, it results in uremia. How is waste removed? The filtration of waste from the blood takes place in millions of nephrons. Nephrons filter blood and produce urine. The nephrons make up each of the kidneys. As the urine drains from each kidney, the ureters transport it into the urinary bladder. Once the urinary bladder empties, urine moves from the bladder down to the urethra to the outside of the body. The renal artery is what delivers the blood that is full of waste to the kidney. The renal vein returns the now cleansed blood to the general circulation. The nephron is the functional or working unit of the kidney. Each nephron consists of the renal corpuscle and the renal tubule. The renal corpuscle is the blood filtering portion of the nephron. It has a double-walled cup-like structure called the glomerular capsule that encases a ball of capillaries. It's important to understand the difference between an afferent arteriole and an efferent arteriole. An afferent arteriole carries blood to the glomerulus, and an efferent arteriole carries blood away from the glomerulus. As urine drains out of the renal pelvis, it enters the ureter. The ureter carries the urine down to the urinary bladder. Ureters can be described as narrow tubes which extend from the renal pelvis to the urinary bladder. The bladder receives the urine from the ureters, stores it, and excretes it via urination. The kidneys are responsible for homeostasis. Homeostasis is balance in the body. Kidneys adjust the chemical conditions in the body which allow us to survive. The kidneys also regulate levels of electrolytes and also play an important role in maintaining the correct pH range within the body. What are the urine production stages? Filtration is the first stage. In this stage, material is forced out of the bloodstream and into the renal tubules. In reabsorption, the filtrate passes through 4 sections of the tubule. Most of the water, electrolytes, and nutrients are reabsorbed into the perpetual capillaries. Secretion is the final stage. In this stage, the special cells of the renal tubules secrete ammonia, uric acid, and other waste into the renal tubule. Lastly, what is urine made of? Urine is 95% water, but it also contains many dissolved substances such as electrolytes, toxins, and nitrogenous waste. That was my presentation on the urinary system. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.